honestly, words cannot describe. I'm so excited. I love my job so much, and this is the absolute icing on the cake, honestly, it really is. Lots of hard work, lots of dedication, and lots of support from all of my friends and family and my work colleagues.
It's nice to have my peers basically nominating me for this, seeing all the great people here as well in the crowd, and a proud moment for me.
I've done a lot of work with students, I've done a lot of work within Merseyside, Greater Manchester, so I think all the culmination of the projects that I've done in a really short space of time, I think that's what it is.
I'm really hoping by winning this award that I can get the message out. We need young blood coming in because the young kids are innovative, they're energetic, they're our manufacturers of the future.